Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on TECNO Phantom 5. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search and type in Firefox. Now click install. And now you can click open. Then you can choose your default browser, or you can click cancel, and now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in into your Firefox account, or you can click not now. And now you can enable notifications, or you can click not now. And your Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.